Hello and thank you for watching. In this short video, I'm going to go over the notes and the fingering for a G-flat major scale on the piano. Before we start, I want to mention that this is one of three what we call enharmonic scales, which means this scale starting on this black key here can have two names. It can be either F sharp or it can be called G-flat. So the scales actually feel the same and they sound the same. They just look different on the music. So for the purposes of this video, we are going to call this note G-flat. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to figure out the notes in this scale. So G-flat is Do. If you look above, you'll see Do to Re is a whole step. So Do to Re, whole steps. We're skipping that key on the piano. G-flat to A-flat. Re to Mi, another whole step. Skipping this key right here. So A-flat to B-flat. Then Mi to Fa is a half step. The very next key. So B-flat to C-flat. Notice C-flat. And then Fa to So is a whole step. So we're going to skip this key right here. So it's going to be C-flat to D-flat. So to La, another whole step. Skipping this white key right here. So D-flat to E-flat. And La to T, also another whole step. So E-flat to F. And then finally T to Do, ending with a half step, F to G-flat. So the notes are G-flat, A-flat, B-flat, C-flat, D-flat, E-flat, F, G-flat. So 6 notes are flatted, and we're using all 5 black keys in this scale. So we're going to lock in the fingering for this G-flat scale by clumping the notes together that are in between where the thumb crosses under. So we're going to start with a clump of 3 notes, 2, 3, 4. Then thumb's going to cross under, play Fa there, and then 2-note clump. Thumb comes under to play T or F. Then we're going to cross with a 3-2 clump and thumb and 4-3-2. Let's try those one at a time. Thumb under, thumb under, cross with 3, and finally cross with 4. Now the left hand also has the group of 3 fingers on the 3 black keys and then the 2 fingers on the 2 black keys. We're going to start with a clump here starting on G-flat of 4-3-2, then cross with 3-2. For the purposes of this scale, I'm going to cross just with finger 2. You could also practice crossing with finger 4 if you were going to keep going up the scale. But for this video, it's going to be 2. So we'll have 2, and then 1, 2, 3, thumb under, 2, 3, 4. Here those are one at a time. Cross with 3. Cross with 2. Want to try to make sure your fingers are gripping the edge of the black keys. Not going flat like this, but rather finding the grip point at the edge of the black keys as you play these scales. All right, so now we're going to do hands together, and we're going to do hands together in rhythm so we can lock in the fingering. So we'll start with G-flat is Do, finger 4, Do with finger 2 in the right hand. Here we go. Right hand coming under finger 4, left hand over with 3, right hand under and left hand crossing with 2, coming back down, right hand crosses with 3, left hand under, right hand crossing with 4, and finishing. Here it is one at a time. Right hand under, left hand over, left hand over, coming back down, cross with 3, cross with 4. Thank you for watching this short video on how to play a G-flat major 1-octave scale on the piano. I hope that you found it helpful, and I hope that you will subscribe to my channel for more videos on piano technique. Thanks again for watching.